Hey guys, welcome back to Baking with Shannon. Today we're going to be making peanut coconut mochis, a classic Chinese bakery dessert that's nice and chewy and coconutty on the outside, contrasted with a sweet and salty and crunchy filling that's made out of dry roasted peanuts and toasted sesame seeds. As an added bonus, it's also gluten-free and is super easy to make. Start by making your filling, which is nothing more than just combining ingredients into a medium-sized bowl. So that includes a cup of dry roasted, lightly salted peanuts that are chopped up, along with a few tablespoons of sugar, and that's to taste depending on how sweet you like it. Then to that you want to add some dried coconut. You can use unsweetened or sweetened like I'm using. And just give that an obligatory stir. I'm not sure why, because we still need a few other ingredients. So that includes some dry roasted sesame seeds, as well as a few tablespoons of oil just to bring it together. And then once you have that done, just go ahead and mix it and set it aside. So now we're on to our mochi. So that includes adding some glutinous rice flour, which technically doesn't have any gluten in it, but either way, make sure you get that kind because it helps to create a chewy mochi texture. Then to that, you want to add some coconut milk. I'm using full fat coconut milk, but you can definitely use light if you prefer. And then you also want to add some water. And at this point, I realized my bowl was too small, so it's a little dangerous. So, word to the wise, make sure you mix this into a large bowl, or you can cut back if you want, if you don't want to make such a large batch. And then this way I can add the remaining amount of water. And all you want to do is just mix it until it's smooth. About 15 minutes. This is what you have. It's extremely sticky, kind of thick texture. Falls back in a ribbon. It kind of hangs there on the side of the surface. Oops, but it's extremely hot and sticky. Okay, maybe it's kind of like semi-translucent as well compared to before when we initially mixed it. So that's what you're looking for, and it's extremely hot, like I said. So go ahead and let it cool down to room temperature before it's safe to handle.
That smells mochi. How did it turn out?
I gotta let it cool down because it's really, really hot right now, but I'm gonna cool it on the counter surface so that way it goes a little faster. So, laid my mochi down. It's pretty cool. Still some warm spots, but overall safe enough to handle where it's not going to burn you. I'm putting down what seems like an obscene amount of tapioca flour, but potato starch or cornstarch. Either way, you want to lay a lot of flour starch down, and I'm going to start dipping it up. I'm using a bench scraper. These are one of the best tools in the kitchen. So we're just going to cut it to make equal size pieces. Okay. It's thereabouts. Try your best to make equal size pieces. Roll it around your hands using whatever flour or starch is left on the counter. We're just going to place it onto that surface, a generously floured surface. Can't use enough of that starch because this stuff is so sticky. Okay, so Doesn't have to be a perfect round or anything. But pat off the excess starch. We don't necessarily want to taste that starchiness when we're eating it. And just cup it like so. Make this a little bit more round and uniform. That way we have a nice generous well in the center. And then just spoon in your filling. Take two edges, pinch them together. It should be the edges that are closest, that are adjacent to each other. And then just start turning and pinching, turning and pinching. Using this thumb to keep that filling inside. Okay. It's getting a little sticky, so I'm going to use a little bit of flour. Pinch, pinch, pinch. And eventually it'll be mostly closed, and then you just give it one final pinch on the bottom. You can always tap down the surface if it gets too sticky. Give it one final squeeze. Make sure those edges are closed.
Let me try one of these. I'll try this half. This is delicious. It's better than store-bought. Oh, the peanut, the coconut, so delicious. The texture is like a snowball, you know, Hostess snowball. But the flavor is 100 times better. You can taste the peanut, the coconut. Oh, I want another one.
So there you have it, folks, an honest review from my dad. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, as well as hit that subscribe button for new videos every Tuesday and the occasional Friday video as well. Don't forget to leave a comment below telling me whether or not you liked the video or you tried the recipe out, any video suggestions for the future, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back here next time.